We are ready for contestant number 13 from Pasco, Washington, under the direction of Lucy Hinkle, Rolling Hills Chorus.